All right, Silas, you ready to go air up your bike tires?
Yep.
We got them a Cush 2 by Mafia Bikes. We're hanging out with Ethan today, homeboy Ethan, you know him.
It's super good.
It was something.
Super bad for your teeth, but super good.
Yeah, Jolly Rancher Laffy Taffy was the bomb, but it was way before your time. We were little kids, weren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, little kids. The crunch was so good.
Yeah,
I was eating that stuff when I was his age.
I could tell it probably did it. It was back when you guys were kids because.
The way we were talking about it.
Oh yeah, because.
Bring it through here, buddy. That way you ain't gotta go over the trestles. Yeah. I'm riding the Heroin Skateboards deck today, the symmetrical egg. Ethan, what's your setup?
We got a custom Killer Acid Santa Cruz.
Was that
limited
Crux?
edition? Yeah, we got a Crux trucks. Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's sick.
Some butterflies, broken promises, dog.
Yeah.
Because I don't ever keep a promise. Haggard hot dog.
All right. Oh, that was sick. That was so
a good
sick.
one, wasn't it?
Gnarly. All right, here we go. Let's get it.
Getting some air in Silas's new bike tires.
We got that Cush 2.0.
That Cush 2.0 from Mafia Bikes.
Yeah.
Look at that bad boy.
Oh yeah.
Well, that goes up quick.
Yeah, it's meant for a car, that's why.
Still kind of soft.
Yeah, you want them to be nice and solid, but not crazy.
Yeah. I could always
We're gonna
get
a little tiny bit more.
That feels good. Maybe a little too bouncy.
Yeah, I'd just do a little bit more.
A little bit more, yeah. So I'm switching out my 5th lace on my Globes. Just saying, Globe skate shoes, they don't like to keep. Every shoelace I put in these things, they just fall out, man. They break, they rip, junk, man. Don't buy Globe shoes, or at least don't buy the surplus model. Here we go.
Yeah. That was a crook. Yeah. Yeah.
Beats a new crispy complete. Fakey or nollie?
Yeah.
I mean, it feels good.
Yeah.
It's a nice bike.
Yeah, man.
Killing it, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Front side set.
Hey.